I think what interested me the most about MongoDB was both the strong product offering that we had here, but also the excellence in the sales program that was going on here as well. The sellers that I met at MongoDB were easily the most competent and most impassioned sellers I had ever engaged with before. I also saw a really strong sales process where honestly a science was designed around how to sell and how to sell successfully inside of other tech companies.
I actually chose to join MongoDB post-IPO because of the exact timing of the maturity of its platform. Atlas has reached a point of maturity where it's become widely adopted across the industry and becoming standards in some of the top Fortune 500 companies. And that is why I really wanted to start at MongoDB at this point in time.
I actually think really MongoDB is just getting started. We're $1 billion run rate, but really $1 billion startup. We're starting to really get deep into our enterprise segment. We've just launched our strategic segments. We've just now gone into other segmentations like enterprise growth, which is all of our high growth vertical companies that we really want to double down on. And so is it too late to join MongoDB? Absolutely not. In fact, I think there's almost no better time to join MongoDB because of how we set ourselves up to grow successfully in the next 5+ years.